Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all are fine. So, students, today I am going to teach you chapter determiners. What do you mean by determiners and its types? So, let's start. First of all, I'll tell you the meaning of determiners. So, words used before nouns to define the nouns in some way or the other are called determiners. So, determiners are those words which are used before nouns to clarify nouns, to define them. They can be in any way. So, types of determiners. First of all, article determiners. In these we use a and the. Second is demonstrative determiners. In this category we use this, that, these, those. In third, possessive determiners. In this we use my, our, your, his, her, its, their. Fourth is next category is indefinite pronouns. In these we use some, any, much, many, few, a few, the few, etc. So all these words comes in the category of determiners. So let's have a detailed description. Let us discuss these determiners in detail. So, first of all, let me tell you about article determiners. So, first of all, use of a. A is used with a single thing. So, a, when we use a, to clarify more to you, let me give you an example. A is used when with the sound य या व in Hindi, like य या व की जब भी साउंड होती है तो उसके साथ हम ए यूज करते हैं, like a one-eyed man, a university. So a one-eyed man, व one, a university, year. So we use a with single thing and य and व sounds वाले words के साथ हम a की यूज करते हैं. An is used with vowels or words with sounds like vowels, like for example an honest man, an MA, and STO. So words which are vowels or which sounds like vowels, like an honest man, oh, it sounds like honest. Honest sounds like vowels. O, the sound of O is like vowels. So here the next use is the. The is used with particular things when we give special reference, or it's used with unique things like the sun, the moon, like the is used with nation, names of when we indicate nation, party, community. River, with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulf, bays, mountains, islands, geographical names, newspaper, magazines, ships, names of ships, aeroplane, or public buildings when we give reference of public buildings. For example, like the Indian Express, it's the name of a newspaper. We use the with Indian Express. The Tribune, the Ganga, it's a river. The Himalayas, name of mountain. The Hindus, giving indication of community, referring community. The West Indies, it's used with the name of islands, again giving reference of community. The English, the United States of America, when we the is used with the geographical names like the United States of America, etc. We also use the with superlative degrees like directions, before adjectives, comparatives, etc. Let me clear all these things with example, like the rich should help the poor. So here rich and poor are adjectives, so the is used with both these adjectives. So second example, the higher you go, the cooler it is. So here the is used when the words they perform the function of adverb as an adverb with comparative. So here higher is an adverb and here it is used to give comparison. So next is third, the camel is the ship of the desert. So here the is used with singular noun to represent whole class. Here camel is here singular noun, but here it is indicating whole class. So we use the with directions, the north, the south, the east, the west, etc. So as I have already cleared to you many uses of the, with especially the is used with the names of rivers, seas, oceans, gulf, bays, etc. Names of mountains, island names, geographical names, newspapers names, magazines names, ships, aeroplane names, or any public building like the Parliament House, the Rajya Sabha, the Lok Sabha. So these are the uses of the. So next I want to clear you the meaning of few, the few. This comes in indefinite pronoun category. Few means kuch, that it is indicating negative sense, means we are not having much, negative, na ke barabar, not much. So he has few books, means it is indicating negative sense कि उसके पास books हैं but ना के बराबर. Next is a few, a small number, means very less. कुछ, some. He packed a few things into a bag. उसने कुछ चीज़ें जो है बैग के अंदर डाली. He packed a few things into a bag. So means it is a few is indicating a small number. The few means whatever we have to manage in that only, whether it's whatever quantity we have. So in that only we have to manage. Like I read the few books I had. So whatever books I have means how many books I have, that in that only I have to manage. Means those books only I have to read, either 4, 5, 2, 3. Means more or less we have to manage in that only. So next let me clear you demonstrative determiners. Main article determiners I have cleared to you. Next is demonstrative determiners. Demonstratives means when we point out something, this, that, these, those, ye, ve, yeh, veh. These are very simple words, and I think you know you are using these words daily. So I think more clarification is not required. So next is possessive. Possessive also here in this category also very simple words are used, and you all students are using in your daily life also, and because these are very simple words, my, our, your, his, her, its, their. I think uses of these words are clear to you because you are students of higher section, and you know all these things. So possessive means, let me clear to you, possessive means when we have possession of something, कि ये चीज़ मेरी है, ये तुम्हारी है, मेरी, my, our, your, मेरी, तेरी, that we call, कि इस पे मेरी possession है, उस पे तुम्हारी, वो तुम्हारी है. But here is the meaning of possession is cleared, कि जब when we have dominance over something. So next is indefinite pronouns. So in this category of indefinite pronouns, some, any, much, many, a few, the few, etc. Like little, a little, the little. These words have the same meaning. Few, little, a few, a little, the few, the little. They have the same meaning only. Few indicate number, but they indicate quantity. So next is some means it's already clear to you. Kuch, any, koi bhi. Much is indicating quantity, and many is indicating number. So these words are very simple words you are using daily in your life. So I think these words are clear to you. So I hope you all understood determiners chapter, and if you need more clarification, if you are not able to understand anything, you can ask me your question. You can call me, you can WhatsApp me. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. Thanks. Have a nice day.